Miss Haken, welcome back. We are going to do a sink and float inquiry today in numeracy. So in Minds On, we had a sink or float prediction where they collected their 8 objects and they predicted. So this would be an extension of that, where you would have a couple different water tables or Tupperwares of water set up around the room. Obviously, first talk about water and what's appropriate to do with water. You will find that maybe sometimes some children like to splash each other, which is not always awesome. Maybe being outside in the sun and doing this is awesome as well. But setting up some experiments for them to decide whether or not their object does in fact sink or float would be something that I would do. They're their prediction sheets, and I've given another blank one in the templates where you can write down objects that you've provided and ask them to test them out, be little scientists. So if you are outside, another extension to this would be more water play, maybe putting some sea creatures in the bottom, having them play and interact, maybe having one tub saltwater and one tub freshwater and seeing if it helps with the buoyancy, talking about the word buoyancy. And this is why I'm waving this paintbrush around. When we're outside and we have water, I love to tell them to write sink, float, any word that you have on a card or a kaboom card, write it on the pavement or on the wall and see how fast it evaporates. We can have so much fun with water at this age and have so much fun doing your water table inquiries on sinking and floating and all that cool stuff. So take as many days as you want. I've allotted it for a day here, but it could be a center after you've introduced it for the rest of the week or the week after, now that they understand the rules of the water table or the water bins. All right, have so much fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye.